Danny VQ back again with another video. It's going out for a drive, so you know, nice cool night. It's gonna be heading to my boy's shop. I'm just gonna be chilling. Oh, check out, just go chill with the boys. Just a chill night. I am getting my headlight module back from Gen Coupe DIY. He did my headlights. If you got those for you that don't know, he did my demon eyes and my black housing and all that stuff. If you're ever looking to get any headlight work done, Gen Coupe DIY. I've been with that guy for like several years now. I think around COVID time, and it's been good. And all my boys have been going to him, and he's been putting out some pretty solid work. Other than that, man, we're just chilling today. Just gonna be chilling with the boys. I'll show you guys the shop, and yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Enjoy the drive, guys, and the turbo noises and all that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for the recent support on the videos. I really appreciate it, man. It's doing really good. I'm really happy with the outcome and the feedback that I'm getting from the videos, and I feel really motivated to put out some more content for you guys. You guys are watching it, so thank you guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd recommend you 100% just subscribe. The journey for this year is going to be absolutely incredible. And yeah, so today, so basically with the G, what's up with the G has been running pretty good. I do have to grease the turbo. I am running a oilless turbo. Those for you that don't know, it's a Comp 6467 1.15 AR housing for the turbo, and 3-inch downpipe for those of you guys don't know. Yeah, man, so basically every time you're like, well, they recommend is 3,000 miles and grease the turbo, but also depending on your driving habits, it is recommended to service the turbo as soon as possible. So yeah, I've been keeping up with that, and it's been running pretty good. Nothing bad to say. It's pretty simple to install. For a stock block, I think low PSI, it's really good. Maybe in the built motor stuff, probably gonna upgrade to a coolant cooled turbo, and maybe a little bit bigger size. We'll see. Maybe I'll just make the air housing bigger, but solid turbo, it's still good for like 900 horsepower. And I have the T51R mod on it from Dyna Motorsports. And yeah, for the G, I don't know, man. I've been looking at some wraps. I don't know, the paint's really good. I really like the paint. It keeps that original look also, and it is a little bit different. I did get the car fully repainted in 2021 or 2020. I think 2021. And it's I don't know, I just love the paint color. I did go with the blue flake in the paint. If you see it in person, you could see it. I won't pick it up on camera, but it has this like little blue tint to it, and it's it flows really good with the gray and a silver too. But my car is gray, so it flows really good. It's a good combination. So I don't know, man. I think I'm just gonna I don't know, stick to the paint. Maybe eventually, maybe if I'm really tired of it, I'll probably wrap it. But knowing me, I'll probably wrap it another like similar to kind of gray bluish color, something like that. If I get another car, however, let's say for example I'm getting a another like daily or something, another project car, I will definitely I'll wrap it. But this car, I don't think so. I really like the original color. Import Fest ready, basically. Already registered for that, and we're going to that show and a couple other ones, Team Legacy, and I think there's a couple other ones I haven't seen. Basically whatever comes up, I'll register for it and then go, because last year I didn't get to do anything, and the car was just sitting on jack stands. And you know, if you guys follow me, for a while. You guys already know what I was dealing with at that time. No, we just got to Sesto just now, so said reverse up inside. They're already working on a Z, so let's see what's going on.
What's up, G?
What's up, man? What are you saying?
Good, what are you saying?
I'm chilling.
What's up, bro?
You guys recording, we're touching titties.
Yeah.
Yeah, come, let me go from the back. No, that's
Is it recording?
It is
It's
recording.
red, right?
Hi.
Yeah. All right. Yeah, it's on my head, so I can't tell her. I'll take some pictures, bro. This is sick. I got a boosted G in the back. That one right there.
I told you to go get it.
Oh my God, bro. The pictures in here are crazy.
Imagine the floors that
Bro, it's just like the carbon fiber and the fucking light. Holy
Monday, the floor should be getting started.
damn.
Oh, you're gonna start on Monday?
Monday.
Shit.
Yo, so this is the project right here?
This car is getting bags.
Getting airlift suspension, eh?
Yeah.
So what bumper is this?
So that's another Z. So he got a carbon front bumper, carbon hood, carbon fenders, carbon roof cap.
Damn. So
And
is,
then we're doing
is,
the PPF.
is this a
on it.
Muse front bump? What is this?
Bro, this is actually a Lexus style bumper.
Lexus style? That's different. What the
Look
hell?
at, oh, hold on. Look at the sides.
What the hell? So wait, what is this, like one of
It's
one?
custom, yeah.
Like how do you get that made though?
From Japan.
What?
You got it from Japan.
I didn't even know this is a thing.
Bro, it
Wow,
looks
guy,
so
that's crazy. It looks good. Like I was like, yo, what bumper is that?
Yeah.
Damn, yo. There's more rear?
This will V2 rear bumper, V1 spoiler.
Airlift suspension. Oh, this is your quick jack, I guess?
Yeah.
Sick, yo. You like it?
No. Actually, it was the side skirts. Yeah, the aftermarket side skirts. We have to take them off because this wouldn't fit.
Okay. Oh, is that all fiberglass?
Fiberglass, yeah.
Okay. Sick, man. I got rear mount turbo kit here.
Which is
Check it out, guys.
leaking.
That's okay. That's a part of the process. Check it out, guys. Rear mount. Rear mount, boys. We got some gauges inside, right?
Yeah.
Check it out. They got, oh, that's a nice carbon wheel too. Check it out.
I put the tape there so Sam remembers to put the oil pump on before you start the car.
There you go, 6-speed. Yeah. Dope. Got another one coming soon too.
Oh yeah.
And it'll be fucking boosted.
Boosted,
Boosted boys.
That's it, boosted boys.
Yeah. Let me see a shot from this angle here. Damn, this is a money shot right here.
The next day.
So today, cars and coffee, beautiful day outside on a Sunday. And gonna check. Some really nice cars showed up over there. There's some really nice cars. There's M2 right here. Check it out. Nice. But yeah, there's some nice cars here. You got an R34, Golf R, GTR. This midnight purple Supra, Evo. Super dope. Check out the midnight Bupra. It's a Bupra, right?
Carbon hood is nice.
Oh, C63 AMG. Oh, that's a nice Dravid Gray on the M5. Dravid Gray on M5 or M550 or some shit. Yeah. Yeah, M550. D-badge, right? But yeah, paint's super nice. See, you can see the paint in like the daytime. That's why I love cars and coffee. We got a E63 over here. Super nice. Yeah. Which one is it? Oh, that one's nice.
Really nice, bro.
Check out them too. Really clean M2. Oh, I love the wheel combo.
I lied. It was like it's chrome, but it's like
nice,
gold.
it's nice.
Yeah.
It's like mix of both. It's nice, man. Super nice M2. Yeah, RS. Check out the green on the freaking M3. The GSF right there. Yes, sir. This guy knows what's good. C63. Looks like it's on Headlight. Super nice cars here, man. I like that color on the M5. Check the interior work on this. Damn, look at the seats, bro. That is insane detail. Lots of work. Super dope. Another Bupra.
Carbon steering wheel.
Lots of M2s, bro. Like the lot, right? M2, and Supra. This is Dravid Gray. That's like an old. What Ferrari is that?
430. Yeah, 430.
That's. I think that's a manual RA. It could be.
Last year.
It's an old one, right?
Yeah, it's an old one. Yeah. Oh, it's a kid one.
Yeah. Yo, look at the seats, bro. Yo, this is actually so sick. This is like one of the cars I've been looking at. Super nice car.
Literally my dream.
Yeah, literally.
Man, that's peace of mind. You can't put a price on it.
Option out nicely, bro.
You sell it in these cars.
Yeah.
Come here, right?
Euro only when you got an Infinity. GTS. Oh, Z06. Jeez. Check it out, guys. M4 CSL. Crazy. I'm gonna get on this side. Check the engine.
I had LMR. These are LMR, so the only difference is you have a little bit of.
Damn. Beautiful car. Clearing action here.
Look at the plate.
10 sec.
You don't text me, you don't call me, you're the winner, right?
It just melted like yesterday.
Really nice AMG back there. That's like my kind of GTR spec. I like that. I've had a GTR build like that. The Advan GTs on GTR look so good.
Very nice.
Oh,
the
look
rear
at the
fitment.
bro, that's my kind of fitment. Bro, if I had a GTR, bro, it would be like exactly like this. Super nice. Super nice spec on the wheels, perfect fitment. And damn, bro. Yo. Yeah, everybody has a blue
Single exit on it.
Oh.
But that needs
Damn, yo. NSX, Mark 4. So I'll get you guys some nice content today. Holy, I've been waiting for a day like this. CTSV. Stick.